Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to unlock your ultimate windsurfing potential. Today, we're diving into how the revolutionary Deepseek R1 is set to transform the world of windsurfing, offering you a technological edge like never before through real-time data analysis and personalized feedback. Step 1. Understanding your environment. The Deepseek R1 is equipped with advanced sensors that meticulously analyze wind conditions. It captures data on wind speed, direction, and even gusts in real time. This isn't just raw data. It's intelligent insight. The AI within Deepseek R1 processes this information to provide you with a clear understanding of the optimal wind windows for your session, helping you choose the right sail and board for maximum performance. Next, let's optimize your sail by feeding the sensor data into its AI algorithms. Deepseek R1 can analyze how your sail is interacting with the wind. It identifies subtle inefficiencies, suggesting adjustments to your sail trim and boom position. Think of it as having a personal windsurfing coach constantly monitoring your performance. This allows you to fine-tune your sail for maximum power and efficiency, making every gust work in your favor. Finally, we enhance your rider technique. Deepseek R1 captures your movements, analyzing everything from your body positioning and weight distribution to the timing of your jibes and tacks. The AI then delivers personalized feedback, highlighting areas for improvement and offering actionable tips to refine your technique. This targeted approach means you'll learn faster, progress further, and ultimately perform better on the water, enjoying a truly dynamic and data-driven windsurfing experience. Get ready to elevate your game with Deepseek R1 Windsurf Tech. Deepseek R1.